Picturean mo na sa gaan plate lang.
Celebration! Let's give a big round of applause for our cute little prince, Mark Clarence Saison! Along with him will be Mama Teresa, Papa Mark, and of course, Ate MC. Once again, walang pangalan naman, our little prince here celebrating 2 occasions in his life, his baptism and first birthday celebration. It seems that he's really enjoying. Happy birthday! And as we begin, hindi ko po ang bawat isa.
We celebrate the birthday of our beloved son. Thank you for the gift of his life, for the joy, laughter,
Of course, as we welcome him to the Christian world. This time, to officially welcome everybody to this double occasion, may we call on the beautiful mommy of him, Mama.
Sila, makikita nila yung strong bond ninyo as mag-asawa, yung grow as a happy family, dahil yun yung magiging example nila sa huli, na magiging pamilya rin nila sa pagtanda nila. So gusto nila magiging pamilya soon. So continue to be happy and stay blessed sa inyong dalawa, and alagaan yung dalawa ang inyong mga blessings sa buhay. Maraming salamat and happy birthday ulit, baby! And welcome to the Christian world. Thank you sa inyo.
Maraming salamat din, Clarence. And of course, following her, let's call on someone marked for her hard work and positivity, who loves singing, especially song from Taylor Swift, a girlfriend of Mama Clarice's brother. Please welcome Ninang Charmaine Laguna. Here she is.
Ayan, good afternoon po sa lahat and also sa family ko ng Saison ko. Baby, birthday first time ko kasi umattend actually ng binyag tsaka first birthday ko ng mga baby. So, hindi ko po alam kung paano sasabihin, pero ang wish ko na lang po is sa lahat na lang po ng family, which is sana po good health at tsaka strong lang po sa lahat po ng mga problema pong darating, at saka be happy po kasi yun po yung magpapatatag po pag masaya po ang buong family.
Thank you so much. Third on the list, let's call on Mama Clarice's closest friend, the pretty and intelligent Miss Lionette Hope David. She got confused kung siya ba yung tinawag. Good afternoon po.
No pressure ako. But yes, happy birthday kay Mark Clarence. And we wish na you grow up great and kind boy to your parents. And your parents will be proud with you in the future. So, and God bless, God bless.
Maraming salamat sa our beautiful ninangs. This time, let's hear something from our handsome ninongs. Beginning with the gorgeous and trustworthy friend of Mama Clarissa. Special mention to his wife and baby Ellen for joining us this afternoon. Please welcome Mr. Benjo Rodriguez.
Birthday po.
Hi, yung joy na binigay mo sa parents mo nung nilabas ka. Kita naman sa pangalan, nag-aagawan sila. Mark and Isla. So, you're so blessed na meron kang parents na nagmamahal lang. Sobra-sobra talaga. Welcome to the Christian world.
Ikaw na.
Happy birthday. We love you.
Magsasabi ko kami.
Maraming salamat, Ninong Benjo. Right next to you is another close friend of Papa Mark since college, Mr. Roxy Rafael. Here he is.
Ayun, salamat sa pag-imita Mark and Lisa sa event nyo for this day, for birthday ni Mark Clarence. So, thank you. Ang aking masasabi lang, siguro, kay Mark Clarence, pag napanood mo ito, pag laki mo, nandito lang kami bilang ninong mo sa mga kaibigan ni Mark, sa Lisa, para pag tumulong sa pagpatnubay sa paglaki mo. Ako may mga kailangan kayo, sabihin nila ang bilang kaibigan nyo. And ayun, wishing you happy birthday, Mark Clarence, to maging mabait ka and sumunod ka sa iyong mga magulang. Ayun. And ayun lang. Happy birthday ulit.
Thank you so much, Ninong Roxy. Completing the list of our handsome Ninong, this time as Colin. A close friend of Papa Mark since college, who's always supportive and full of good vibes, Mr. Christian Villanueva. Perhaps we can call on Mr. Mark Lester O'Connor. Sir Rocky, here he is.
Bigay nga ako ng chips.
Hello to kayo. So, happy Christianing first birthday. And also, I just want to say na ang pagiging ninong is not only financial support dun sa bata, but also a guidance sa ating mga friends dahil gusto nila na magkaroon ng environment yung bata na masusuportahan sila from their early age up to their adolescence. So, ang wish ko lang sa iyo is sana lumaki ka ng may pagmamahal sa magulang at merong guidance with them. And also if ever hindi mo or technically gusto mong magkaroon pa ng extended guidance, nandito kami para sa iyo. So, yun lang. Thank you.
Palakpakan niyo naman po lahat ng mga ninong and ninang. They are the loving godparents of our little prince here. However, aside from the godparents, it is really something that we hear from the grandparents themselves. May we call one? From Mama's side, Mommy Tess and Daddy Paul. Palakpakan niyo naman po. The loving Lolo and Lola.
Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat po sa mga pumunta po rito sa birthday ng apo ko. Mark Lawrence Tamayo Saison. Sana lumaki ka ng mabait, matalino, at higit sa lahat, mapagmahal. I love you.
Hello. Parents. Ang akin lang, sana lumaki kang, masunurin sa magulang, at mapagmahal sa magulang, at sana maging maayos ang takbo ng buhay mo. At sana matupad yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay. Yun lang.
Maraming salamat from the Lola and Lola. And of course, from Papa's side, we call on Lola Alma along with Tita Reyesel. Palakpakan niyo naman po.
Kala ko piupo.
Okay.
Magandang hapon po sa lahat. Clarence, happy birthday, baby. Labanos namin to puting-puti kasi. Sana paglaki mo, maging mabait kang bata. Mahalin mo si ate Magmahalan kayong dalawa. And then, may takot sa Diyos. Higit sa lahat, suporta ang isa't isa. Kayong dalawa naman mag-asawa, yung mga konting problema, pag-usapan, at magmahalan kayo. Thank you.
So, happy birthday, Clarence. Sana lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos, maging mabait at maging masunurin sa mama at papa mo. To Ate Cla naman and Kuya, you've done a wonderful job sa pagpapalaki kay Clarence. Binigyan niyo siya ng buhay na punong-puno ng pagmamahal. May you be blessed with strength, patience, and love as you continue to guide him. Yan lang.
Di tayo nakapaganda doon, ha?
Wow, grabe yun!
Alright, maraming salamat to all of your wonderful messages and wishes for our little prince here as he celebrates his first birthday and welcoming him to the question round.
Parang hindi naman ang paggandaan, no?
And this time, let's call on Mommy Clarissa and her loving baby. Clarence, to please stand here as they take their first dance together as loving parents and child.
Twinkle, twinkle,
Palakpakan niyo naman po sila.
how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Maraming salamat, Mami Clarissa. And this time, gusto ko pong imbitahan ang bawat isa na tumayo because we're all gonna be singing as our little prince blows the candle of his cake. But beforehand, may I request someone who has a lighter, please? Sino po kaya ang merong lighter? Nahiram lang po. And once again, may request everybody to please stand for we are to sing happy birthday before our little prince blows the candle of his cake. Alright, we got it here. Thank you. And now, everybody, let's all sing happy birthday music, please. Happy birthday to you. Come on, everyone. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Once again, everybody, come on. Happy together blow the candle of his cake. Happy birthday! Pwede na po tayo maupo? And I know for a fact that many of you are quite starving, but before we completely proceed to our buffet table, let's have a picture opportunity for table. As I'm about the person to call you to come forward here joining our wonderful family bago po tayo dumaretso sa ating buffet. And to start with, tawagin po natin itong table na to. If you don't have an answer within 5 seconds, or you have repeated an answer that has already been given. Dadalihan mo na po, magbigay ng mga kulay sa wikang Filipino. Pula. 5, 4, sit down, black's wrong. Dilaw. Asul. 5, indigo, I think that's English, sit down. 5, 4, sit down. Sit down. Ikaw na yung pinakahuli. We have a winner! Sabi ko po.
YA, nag-charge ka na.
What about the beautiful people here? Tayo po tayong apat. Ayan, apat na lang po tayo. Okay. So you have heard naman po yung instructions na binigay ko. We'll do the same. I'll start with you, ma'am. Here we go. Madali lang po ito. Magbigay ng mga sangkap na ginagamit sa paggawa ng Filipino favorite dessert, halo-halo. Sago. Buko. 5. Durian papayas. Now, nangihintay type luluto, ha? Opo po, wala pong papaya, halo-halo. Wala po ako nakita gano'n. Yellow. Mga puno. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sit down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Filipino or English. Okay? Kapag nabili na po yung English, hindi na pwede ibigay yung Filipino term and vice versa. Okay? Here we go. Magbigay Tagalog or English na mga bahagi ng katawan na nagsisimula sa letter B as in boy. Baba. 5, 4, buhok. 5, 4, buko. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sit down. 5, balikat. Dalawa. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sit down. 5. Balon-balunan. O sa manok lang yun. Meron. Ang tao. Ako, wala pa. Hindi ko po alam yun. 5. Bato. 5, 4. Bukong-buko. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sit down. Bituka. Balakang. May nagsabi na yata kaninang balakang. Meron ba? Wala pa. Balat. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sit down. Oops! Pwede yun. 5, 4, 3. Bayan! Pasok yun! Ano ba yan? Bayan na, meron pa. O isa lang yun. We have a winner! Congratulations! Ako naging redundant. What about this table po? Tayo po tayo. Dito lang po. Okay. Na-pressure. Sige. Huy! Sumali ka dito, ma'am. Oh, ayan. Oh. 5 tayo di. 6 kayo. Okay.
Sumali ka!
Sumali ka lang. Kasali ka.
Sumali ka ta!
Okay. Here we go. This time, kanina po sabi ko letter D. Magbigay English or Tagalog mga bahagi ng katawan na nagsisimula sa letter T as in tango. Tenga. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sit down. Letter D, ma'am. Kahit buong katawan. 5, tuhod. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sit down.
Thorax.
Thorax. 5, 4, tongue. Wala na. Sit down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 2, 1, sit down. Talampakan. 5, tuhod. Wala pa nagsabi? Go. 5, 4, 3. Anong tibak ito? We are the winner! Magtingin po ng mga sangkap na ginagamit sa paggawa o pagluluto ng sinigang. Talong, gabi, 5, baboy, 5, 4, 3, okay, sitaw, 5, 4, tubig, kangkong, sampalok, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, sit down, 5, 4, asin, shrimp, 5, 4, 3, bangus, Betsy, 5, no coaching please, sinigang mix, kamyas, labanos, pwede mo ganyan mga sinigang, 5, 3, 2, Dewey ang punta sa sinigang, Dewey, hindi ko ay, sige, go, Sinner, 5, 4, 3, kasabi na po, sit down, I think magkasawa lang to, kayo yung panalo, congratulations! Kanina, I was supposed to be calling tatlong pogi. Ngayon, I want you to arrange yourselves mula sa pinaka-pogi hanggang sa hindi pinaka-pogi. Ready, get set, go! Ano, wala nang galaw. Okay.
Ano pangalan ng mga babae?
Okay. Boys, simple lang instruction natin. Unahang maubos ang laman ng baso. You're gonna start drinking when you hear the word go. Ano yung dapat na marinig? Okay, unofficial. Ready! Get set! Ang matalo po dito, sinama na tayo ng photo booth today. Sige na rin. Naglagay din po tayo ng pampatulog check. Yung unang tumumba, talo. Ready? Get set! And, sir, pakihawa. Pakihawa. Okay, bawal sumayan ang labi nyo sa labi ng baso. Bawal din siyang tunggain. Ang paraan lang ng pag-inom ay para pagkain ng ice cream. Okay? So you have to scoop the juice from the glass. Yun lang ang paraan. Ha? Ready? Get set! And go! Wow, parang gutom na gutom lang ha. Sige lang! Dapat bottoms up! Walang laman ng baso! Kahit bukas pa tayo matapos! Sige, mag-overtime tayo! Come on! Keep on drinking! Sige lang, people!
Dance!
Drink up! Kailangan bottoms up!
Dance, Ainty! Dance!
Drink!
Dance! Ellen, dance!
Drink!
Dance!
Come on!
Baby!
Let me do the countdown! 10, 9, 8. Bawal magbitaw ng kamay, okay? Iikutin natin ang buong Cavite City, okay lang? Okay, very good. Simulan niyo na maglakad. Alright. So, bibigyan ko kayo ng 2 minutes para puntahan lahat ng bisita. Pagbalik dito, yung grupo na may pinakamaraming barya would be the one considered as winners. Okay? Bawal magbitaw, ha? Ready! Alam na yung gagawin nila. Get set! And go! Sige, lakad! Lapitan niyo yung mga kakilala nyo kahit di nyo kilala. Bawal magbitaw ng kamay. Bawal po magbitaw ng kamay. Hawakan niyo po yung group mates nyo. Come on! Okay. O, kumalma ka lang dyan. So obviously, mas malaki po yung sa girls. Palakpakan nyo naman yung girls. But before I give the prizes to our winners and non-winners, kung may mga bata ka po dyan, let's call them because this time, that will all be yours. Oh, yung mga boys muna. Okay, we say for you. Okay, boys. Sige na, sige na yan. Siyempre sa girls, kahit kayo yung nanalo. Dalawa sa girls. Sana yun? Alright? And then, for you, congratulations. For the last game, this is a game requested by the mother of the celebrant. Pwede mo ba tawagan at least 3 ninong, 3 ninang? 3 ninong, 3 ninang dito po sa harapan. Dati Mark, pakikaladkad po yung mga ninong na yan.
Ninang.
3 ninong, 3 ninang.
Wow, hindi sumali.
Okay?
Naghahanap pa si MP.
3 ninong po, tsaka 3 ninang dito po sa harapan. 2 na yung ninong. What about the ninangs? Mama Clarissa, asan na yun? I need at least 2 ninang. Sino yung mga ninang na tinawag ko kanina? Oh, ninang, lapit. Isa? O, isa pang ninang. Nako, gusto niyo balikan ko yung reviewer ko. Okay, ma'am, dito po tayo. 3 yung ninong, ayan. Isa pang ninang, meron pa ba? I think 3 yung tinawag ko rin kanina. Going once, umuwi na. Going twice, 1A. 1 more ninang, wala na po. Okay, isang babae na lang, isang babae. So, ayun si ma'am, yung may ganito yung buhok, tinuturo ng kanyang husband. Ma'am, tawag po kayo, wala po kayong magagawa. Hindi po kayo kakalabas ng lugar na to without you participate. Okay, dito po tayo. Bibigyan ko po kayo ng 1 minuto para magbulong-bulungan. Yes. Because this game is a very crucial game. Pero bago tayo magsimula at ipaliwanag ko ang lahat, pwede ba ako humingi ng isang representative for a Jack and Poy? Anyone? Ay, pa naman from this side. Yan. Okay. Isang bagsak lang. Jack and Poy. Ulit. Jack and Poy. Okay, palala kayo. So kayo mauna o kayo sila mauna? Sila mauna. Okay. I think it would be an advantage. Here we go. Bibigyan ko po kayo ng 1 minute to think of all the possible. Kasi po ito po ay binyag, ito po ay first birthday. All possible na kantang pambata. Either English or Tagalog. Okay, bigyan ko po kayo ng sample o huwag ko na po bigyan ng sample? Wag na. Okay, sige. Pwede po kayo magbulong-bulungan kasi kailangan po sabay-sabay kayong kakanta, ha? Okay, per grupo po ito, no? So, ang sabi niyo po silang mauna. So, please be ready. Alam niyo na yung title na nantahin niyo? Ready? Ay, wala na usap-usap. Bulungan kayo. Okay, go! Sige lang, music up, please. Okay? Lahat po ng kanta pang bata, yung mga naririnig nyo. Okay? Kung kilala niyo po, okay, hindi kilala nila. Ready? Yes, sit down, please. And, ulitin ko lang po, kapag wala pong nakanta, automatic talo na. Here we go. Girls, go! And the boys! And girls, ako nanalo. Naubusan sila. One for you, and one for you. Congratulations. And this time, gusto ko pong tawagin ang wonderful family ni Clarence. Si Mama Clarissa, si Papa Mark, and si Ate MC. Please, wala mo nagtatanong na bata. Come on, Clarence, what do you want? Nakuha na natin.
Chichirya, Clarence, chichirya.
Kaya pwede niyo siyang ihila, sir. Ihila niyo kung ano gusto niya. Kayo na po yung humila. Okay, now, for the kids' turn. Ready? Our traditional Agaw beaten. Get set. And go! Come on! Sige na! Talon! Jump!
Jump, jump, jump. Clarence, jump.
Sige lang! Napagod si Ninong Clarence. Jump! Sige lang! Talon! More! Start! Wait lang. Baka makakaya. Sige ba? Talon ba? Talon! Ginawa na natin. Go, 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 go! Labor! Ayun na naman ulit! Ayun na naman ulit! May isa pang naiwan na yun. Thank you, Nino. Ayan. Maraming salamat. And as I've mentioned, and I want to call this loving family, Papa Mark, Mama Clap.
Ayun. So, ang message ko kay Baby Clarence, sana lumaki kang mabait na bata, makikinig sa magulang, and wish you good health. Yun lang.
Ayun, sa dalawang anak, ang wish ko lang ay mag-aral sila ng mabuti kasi yun lang ang bagay na maipapamana ko sa kanila. Yung karunungan, yung katalinuhan. Kasi pag nawala na kami, yun lang naman yung pagnasasandalan eh. Yun, thank you. Wala mo kaya ka.
Maraming salamat to your wonderful wishes. But of course, before we completely conclude and end this